hard every week. He's the true deal.
You know how I know we're back motocross racing? Because we have an official 30-second girl that's going to hoist it up. She's out there and the 30-second board has been raised. The adrenaline, the preparation, all the training off the bike, all the miles on the bicycle now comes. So how much work have you done? How much are you willing to suffer in the first 30 plus 2 on the day? And we are about to find out the 250 class who is going to pick up the first 25 points of this afternoon. The 30-second card's gone sideways. Stay drop, and here we go up in the front of the whole thing. That's Jerry Martinez on the jump. It is Jerry Martinez going for it. It's just like that. The whole time, he is Jerry Martinez going to the corner, and look at what happened. Straight to the back. And it's not only just the first corner first, but Chris they back open in the first 3 turns, headed up and over Brock Graham. Yeah, when you want to watch the best of the best go at it, just running as we start. Right there. He's going to be able to watch exactly what Dylan Ferrandis is doing, what lines he's taking. He doesn't have a rider in between them. He can watch this all take place. Now, Martin's going to try to work that inside line. He gets up and over. You can see that corner, though, a little bit of a grab is just kind of pull it back just a bit, and out front, Dylan Ferrandis is trying to ride away. I'm going to say he's 10, 12 bike lengths right now out front. He's with 10, 12 bike lengths out, but we watch Ferrandis in the 20 practice use some of those alternate lines, especially through that S turn. Guess what? Doesn't need to ride alternate lines right now. He's in control of this race at the very start. He has the main line. What I like about this one is you have